Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Mark, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget, hit that red button so you don't miss any future releases. In today's video, we're doing an unboxing and review of an Apple Macbook Air. Now, Naomi and I have already got an Apple Macbook Air, but we decided we need to get another. Reason being, we've got this channel plus two others, and both of us are fighting over who's using the computer. So enough was enough, and we had to get a new one.
Let's start unboxing my Apple MacBook Air laptop. Put that down. Ooh, nice. Paper. It's nice to see that it's very well protected. This is our second MacBook Air, so that we got one each. Oh, lovely. Look at the package, guys. Lovely. Now I'm gonna open again this box. Ooh. Another tape there. Ooh, that's cool. Guys, just £7 delivery from UK. Ta-da! Oh wow, that's lovely. Ooh, la la. Let's take it out. My Apple MacBook Air. That's better. Ooh, it's lovely. They got included those things. Here we are, my Apple MacBook Air.
Guys, as mentioned before, we've already got an Apple MacBook Air, and we like the use of that one, and we got used to it. And the reason we wanted another Apple MacBook Air was because we love the editing suite. That's basically the only reason we bought one. And the fact that they are sort of very fast to use, they seem quite robust, and you know, they're at the starter for Apple Book Macs, so you know, it wasn't too expensive. Guys, the Apple MacBook Air cost us just under £800. I think it was £1 short. I'll leave a link below for the Amazon link for that, and I'll just show you what we've actually bought. So the first one we bought was in 2015, and that had a 13-inch screen. This one also has a 13-inch screen, and it's the 2020 Apple MacBook Air. And the thing we noticed, firstly, is yes, it's got a screen of 13 inches, but there's not much else around it. Whereas the previous model, there was probably at least 1 centimetre of sort of framing around the screen. And this MacBook Air is a lot lighter than the previous 2015 version. I almost sent this back, guys. Reason being, when I looked at it, there's just one little hole there, two little holes there, and I'm thinking, hang on a minute. You know, we bought this to run our YouTube channel. Where on earth am I going to put my camera cards? How can I run my printer? And I almost sent it back. I actually started the process on Amazon to send it back. And then Naomi mentioned that her brother had an additional item that plugs into his Apple Book Air. And I actually bought it. It's called Flyland, and I think it was about £16. And basically, you see those two slots just there. This plugs in to the Apple Book Air, like so, nice and small. And you can put in all your memory card sticks, USB cables, and your power cable. So it basically does everything. And you know, it's quite small, doesn't really sort of interfere with anything. So I kept the Apple Book Air, and here we are. and absolutely love it. No more arguing who's going to get on the computer. So there we are, Apple MacBook Air. That's hard to say. Guys, I hope you've enjoyed this short review and unboxing of the Apple MacBook Air laptop. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget, hit that red button so you don't miss any future releases. Take care, and we'll see you again soon. Bye bye everybody.